Okay, so I have to go jogging in about 15 minutes, but before I do, the mailman has left me a wonderful little package here. I ordered a very unique, unusual pair of Adidas Superstars, and we're gonna do like a little unboxing video real quick. I have probably, no joke, like 150 pairs of Adidas Superstars, but these are certainly unique, even among those 150 pairs. So we're gonna open them up and check them out. I've not really looked at them yet. This is just a bunch of nonsense we don't need. All right. So, as you could probably tell from the thumbnail and the video title, this is a pair of see-through Superstar shoes. Very unique. I'm noticing that this is sort of a trend almost in like fashion, having like see-through. I have a pair of transparent plastic shorts that I got, I think last year. You guys might have seen that video. So I kind of dig it. I sort of like this idea. It's really weird too, because just looking at them, they kind of just register as like a normal pair of Superstars. It doesn't seem that bizarre to me. It sounds like it'd be like a really weird, bizarre thing. And in some ways, it obviously is, but it's not as staggering as I would have assumed. One of the reasons that I bought these was because, usually when it comes to socks, I don't really buy a lot of socks that have cool designs or colors or stuff on them, because it's like you don't really see them. When you're wearing shoes, you don't really see the socks. But I think you know where I'm going with this. With shiny, transparent Superstars, you would see the socks. And so it's almost like you can customize the shoes based on the pair of socks that you're wearing, which I think is really cool and unique. So my first impressions here, like I said, are, you know, it doesn't seem as weird as I assumed it would be. They are really flexible. They're not flimsy, but they're not like really stiff, which is good. They feel a little bit more like loose than a typical pair of Superstars. They have, you know, obviously the main feature is they have this transparent vinyl PVC material as their main upper. It's shiny. You guys know how much your boy likes shiny things. I love shiny clothing. They have like a white stitch going on. And also, you know, obviously the iconic shell toe on the top here, a white outer sole, come with white laces. Everything is pretty much white. And then, you know, you kind of get to decide what color you want the shoe to be based on your socks. I kind of wish the shell toe, like I wish the toe part was more of a plastic rubbery design. They do have those. In fact, right here, you can see. This is an example of one of the variant designs for the Adidas Superstar's toe. I like how that's more like plasticky and glossy. I think that probably would have been even better for these shoes. Like I think they should have went with that for these, like a white version of that. But nevertheless, I still like them a lot, actually. But I like unique ideas for fashion. They don't always work. I think these work. And as you can see right now, I am trying them on with several different types of socks. Some, you know, some no-show socks, some higher up ankle socks, and different colors. So it's sort of neat. It's fun. And like I had mentioned, this is probably the third time I've said this, it's not as weird as I would have assumed. So I am definitely on board with these. The tongue has just like a black Adidas logo on it, kind of a thinner tongue. By the way, if you like these, you can order them. I will post a link as a pinned comment, but maybe you're watching this video like 2 years from now and they're not available at that link and they're all sold out. You can search for this. This is the art code. This is like the art number. So if you go to Google and you search Adidas and then that code, you'll be able to find them. That's actually a way that I have found a lot of pairs of Superstars when they're sold out and, you know, discontinued. So anyways, this was just a quick little video unboxing these really cool, unique, see-through, invisible Adidas Superstar shoes. I actually can't wait to wear these. I think they would go with all seasons, and it gives you a reason to think of your socks. You know, you got to kind of up your sock game when wearing these, but I really like that. So, all right, just a quick little video here today, guys and gals. Check them out yourself if you want to, but I'm a fan. They seem like they're going to be really comfortable too. I like them. I like them a lot. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll be back with more style videos and all sorts of videos real soon. But in the meantime, I have got to go jogging, and it's like 90 degrees out right now, so pray for me.